Hi friends, welcome back to my channel TR Beauty. Today I am going to share with you how to remove dark circles completely. So I am going to share with you simple and effective 2 steps. So let's see how to do it. So first one is turmeric eye pack. Take 1 teaspoon of curd. Then add some pinch of turmeric powder. Now mix it well. Now the pack is ready. To apply, use your ring finger. Then apply this pack around eye area like this. Wash it off after 10 minutes. Guys, this eye pack helps to remove dark circles and pigmentation. You can repeat this eye pack until dark circles fade away. Second eye pack is turmeric eye gel. Take 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Today I use fresh aloe vera gel. Then add pinch of turmeric powder. Then mix it well. You can see pack is ready. Now apply this gel around eye area like this. Use ring finger to apply. Apply like this. Leave this overnight, rinse off next day morning. If you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.